Developers today open sales at foundation stage, but most buyers don't buy it off plan, they need to see it first. It makes it harder for the buyer to justify premium prices and close deals early. Here's how we solve that. Hi, my name is Anton. I'm a strategic account executive at RTCGI. We build interactive 3D sales platforms for real estate developers. Instead of a PDF brochure and a price list, your buyer opens your website and sees the full complex in 3D. Every building, every floor, every unit. They filter by the rooms, area, price. Available units are highlighted while the sold ones are grayed out. They pick a unit and step inside. Photoreal, fully interactive, works in any browser. They walk through the rooms, step onto the balcony, see the real view from that specific window, adjust the sun, switch finishes, or try furniture layouts. The buyer falls in love with their future home before it's even built, and the same tour runs in VR for your sales office. This is not just a beautiful tool for buyers, this is a full engine for your sales team. Unit statuses sync with your CRM, and the lead from the booking form goes straight into your pipeline. You get full analytics, most viewed units, most used filters, tour engagement, and the full funnel. Stop guessing and focus your marketing budget on what actually drives sales. The buyer explores, filters, walks through, and books without leaving your website. Wanna see it live? Book a demo, link in the description. 20 minutes and I'll show you a real project and show how it can work for yours.